In this quick guide, I'll show you how to clean your Mailchimp audience so you keep an engaged, responsive email list. This step is key for better deliverability and higher engagement. Once you log into Mailchimp, head to the Audience tab and select All Contacts. Here you'll see your full list. Now click Advanced Filters and choose Contact Rating. From the drop-down, select 2 stars. This highlights subscribers who are less engaged. Next, click Previous Segment to review the list. Some contacts may be worth a re-engagement email, but for those who remain unresponsive, select them and choose Archive. This won't delete them, it just removes them from your active list, keeping your audience healthier and your metrics stronger. Cleaning your audience improves campaign performance, boosts deliverability, and protects your sender reputation. Make this a regular habit, and you'll always be speaking to subscribers who genuinely value your content. Thanks for watching. Keep your audience clean, and your email marketing will always stay strong. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.